Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comments. Okay, let's start. We will give you two different solutions. Let's start with first solution. First addition, 8 plus 6 equals 14. Divide 2 minus 3 multiply. Now division, 14 divide 2 equals 7. Now, subtraction, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Finally, multiplication, 4 times 4 equals 16. If you solve the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because while solving the problem, we should have pay attention to order of operation. The order of operation is coded as PEMDAS. PEMDAS, D parenthesis, A exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Okay. Here we have another rule. There is no order multiplication and division from left to right. Similarly, there is no order addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay. Repeat. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Okay. Solving the problem. Addition, division, subtraction, multiplication. First, division and multiplication. Okay. 6 divided 2 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 8. Okay. Now, addition and subtraction. Not ordered from left to right. First, addition. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Finally, subtraction. 11 minus 12 equals negative 1. The correct answer will be negative 1. Okay, today's we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.